The new H-Series showcases NZXT's vision for modern PC building. The H700i, H400i, and H200i feature a unique cam-powered smart device digitally driving RGB lighting and fan performance. You can effortlessly control RGB lighting and fans via the cam dashboard, while adaptive noise reduction optimizes your build's acoustics through machine learning and ideal fan settings. It comes with Air F fans and integrated RGB LEDs to enhance the aesthetics of your build seen through the stunning tempered glass panel. The unique smart device includes features from our Hue Plus and Grid Plus V3 digital controllers, allowing for effortless control and RGB lighting and fans through CAM software. Customized lighting is streamlined with integrated and individually adjustable RGB LED strips. Don't waste time checking compatibility, installing and manipulating physical buttons. Our out-of-the-box elegantly controlled CAM software is all you need. The H series is available in 4 combinations to match your taste, and its elegant all-steel construction is shared across all sizes. The tempered glass panel and signature PSU shroud showcase beautiful builds. Cable management can often take more than assembly. We designed a new cable routing kit and pre-installed channels and straps on the back of the motherboard tray for intuitive and easy wiring. The H series layout ensures you enjoy building your PC as much as you enjoy gaming on it. We simplified water cooling installation with drop-in brackets and integrated reservoir mounting for custom loop systems. Air F fans are included for optimal internal airflow. To preserve your system's clean looks, front and PSU intakes are fully filtered. Storage installation is a snap, with quick-release 2.5-inch SSD trays on the PSU shroud. The H series cases comes with support for 2 additional 2.5-inch behind the motherboard tray, and mounting for traditional 3.5-inch drives. This storage layout optimizes airflow and interior space for a clean-looking build. Our unique adaptive noise reduction uses an onboard noise sensor to measure and learn the speeches of your system to find the ideal balance between fan speed and cooling. With up to a 40% reduction in fan noise level, you won't need to waste time designing custom fan curves. Leveraging machine learning to improve its results, this will ensure your fan settings are always optimal even if you change hardware. Please visit nzxt.com to learn more about the new H series.